In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double outline text effect in Canva. This is a clean, eye-catching style that works beautifully for posters, YouTube thumbnails, and social media headers, and it's surprisingly quick once you know the steps. Start by opening Canva and heading to your home page. From here, choose a template that matches what you're designing, whether that's an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size. Picking the right canvas size first helps everything look balanced later. Next, open the text tools and add a heading. Type the words you want to style. For this effect, a bold or heavy font often looks best because outlines stand out more around thicker letter shapes. If your first choice feels too thin, try swapping to a chunkier typeface before you move on. With your text selected, go to Effects and choose the outline style. This turns your solid letters into stroke letters. Adjust the thickness slider to set your first outline. Aim for a weight that's clear but not too heavy. This will be the inner outline in your final look. Then pick an outline color that contrasts with your background so you can see the effect clearly. You can always fine-tune colors later. Resize the text as needed by dragging the corner handles. Make sure it sits comfortably within your layout and doesn't crowd the edges. Now, create the second outline by duplicating the text. Right-click the text and select Duplicate. With the duplicate selected, go back to the outline effect and increase the thickness so it's noticeably wider than the first one. Change the outline color to a different shade or a darker tone. This outer outline adds depth and separation, so choose a color that complements your design. Send the duplicated layer to the back so it sits behind the original text. This puts the thinner outline on top and the thicker outline underneath, giving you that layered double outline look. Finally, align both text layers perfectly. Drag the top layer until Canva's smart guides snap things into place, or nudge gently with the arrow keys for pixel-precise positioning. If you notice any misalignment, zoom in and make small adjustments until the edges look crisp and even. And that's it. You've built a double outline text effect in Canva using a simple duplicate and layer technique. Try experimenting with high-contrast colors, subtle tone-on-tone shades, or even brand colors to make the effect your own. Once you're happy with the result, you're ready to use it across your designs.